Hello everybody, my name is Jasmine Shakray. I am the CEO of Your Lock Muse, but I also love all things content creation. And I do all of this while being somebody's mama. Today we're going to do a huge pack with me. Y'all know, well if you don't know, this is really like a show and tell style pack with me. I'm going to show you all the orders that I am packing today. We are still sending out our cute little Valentine's Day packaging. I am still in the midst of trying to figure out our new packaging because we are getting rid of our little plastic bags because they're plastic. I'm trying to move in a more eco-friendly direction. Still trying to figure out what that looks like, which means that your spiral ties are probably not coming in bags anymore. But you know, work with us as we work through changes. We are still a very new business. We've only been open, what are we in, month 9 now, I believe. We just launched back in April of 2022. So when you're a new business, there are a lot of things you have to work out. You know, what works, what doesn't work, and cost plays a big factor in a lot of these things. So first up, I just grabbed my girl Shandy. Shandy is a returning customer. This time she ordered lilac and amethyst. These are no longer available on the website. I'm so glad that she was able to get these. She got 2 15 inches in her order. Shandy, thank you for continuing to come back and support. I think Shandy is at, I believe, 7 orders now. I think she is at 7 orders. I think I actually just looked at that last night, and it said that she was at 7 orders. So I am so glad that you continue to come back and shop with us, because that means you must really love us. All right, so I'm gonna get her packaged and out the door. If you all have suggestions on what our packaging should look like, how you would like for your spiral ties to arrive, please let me know. Like I said, I am still working through all of this. So next up we have Cleopatra. She is here in Chicago. Cleopatra got an 18-inch gold. Gold is no longer available on the website, but this is gold. As soon as it decides to focus, you all can see gold. Thank you, Cleopatra. This is your first order. I hope that you love your spiral ties so much and that you return. Oh, I forgot to put a little thing on Shandy's order so she would know that it was packaged on YouTube. I'll put it on the outside of her mailer. You all, we are getting ready for our next collection, which will be dropping March 15th. Originally it was only going to feature 5 fabrics, but now we are at 6 fabrics. We're getting ready for that photo shoot here at the office on the 26th. I'm really excited because 2 of my customers are actually driving in from Milwaukee for the photo shoot, and I just think that is amazing. Like, how amazing does your brand have to be for somebody to drive 2 hours to a photo shoot? Like, that is amazing. I'm very excited. I'm so glad that you all get to come on live and talk to me, because had I not did my last live, this wouldn't even be happening. My customers wouldn't even be coming. So I'm glad that you all are able to join live. I know sometimes we do go live. Well, for the most part, we do go live during the work day. And I'm glad that you all get the opportunity to join us for live. If you haven't gotten the opportunity, our lives are extremely fun. We do spin on the wheel. You can place your order while we're on live and you get a spin on the wheel for a free item or a discount code. Okay, I had to get my water because I'm about to be talking a lot and I could tell that my allergies is about to start acting crazy. Next up we have Kaya. Kaya got a 15-inch melanated mama. There we go. Melanated mama is one of my all-time favorite spiral ties. The way I name melanated mama, so we have Milk Mama. I came up with Milk Mama because I was a breastfeeding mom, and I'm like, I don't want to name this cow, but like, it is a cow, so I'm like, you know what, let's do Milk Mama. And then I came up with Melanated Mama because I'm like, okay, let's do the brown for a brown mama. So That's how I came up with that name. All right, thank you, Kaya, for placing a first-time order with us. I hope that you also return. Next up, we have Jeriza. I think you have such a pretty name. She got, what did she get? She got an 18-inch fall mystery pack. Our fall mystery packs are getting ready to leave the site this upcoming week. So if you see a color in these fall mystery packs that you would like to get, I highly encourage you to order, because these colors are leaving the site and they will not be coming back. Jeriza is getting denim dots in her order. I don't know how long it's gonna take this camera to focus. There we go. She is also getting cinnamon. She is getting jungle. And everybody's favorite, olive. Jeriza, thank you for placing your first time order. Next up, we have, I believe this might be a mystery pack. Nope. Ashley. Ashley's a first time customer. She got a 22-inch lemon drop, an 18-inch melanated mama, and an 18-inch milk mama. So this is milk mama. Milk mama is available on the website still, as well as melanated mama is available on the site. You can actually get those in a mousse set. You can get two in a set together. So this is melanated mama again. And then she also got lemon drop. Lemon drop was a fall color. It is no longer available, but you can get it in a fall mystery pack potentially. Ashley, thank you for placing your first time order. I hope that you love your spiral ties as well. I hope that you will come back and order more, especially from our new collection that will be coming out March 15th. And I keep forgetting to put on all of you all's thank you cards that it was packaged on YouTube. So let me put it on the back, and hopefully you all see it before you open it. So let's go in and put this on all of you all's. I'm still working out like how I want to do these videos. Maybe I could do like a question and answer type of thing with these. Maybe I could post on Instagram when I'm going to be packaging, and I can say like, hey, ask the question that you would like answered. I don't know. Tell me what y'all think. Alrighty, let's see, who do we pull next? 141 spiral ties went out this week. All 141 were handmade this week. Rebecca, I know you from Instagram. You used to have such a fun Instagram for locks. I'm so glad that you were able to order. Rebecca got 18-inch spiral ties in the color Pinstripe, and she got a matching set. Pinstripe is one of my favorite black and whites that we have. And we actually wrapped this with a gray for some contrast, and it came out really gorgeous. Rebecca, thank you so much for ordering. I hope that you love, 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 love these. I love your lock journey. And we're gonna close this like this so she can see that we packaged her order. Rebecca, thank you for being a first-time customer. I hope that you love your spiral ties so, so much. Next up, we have, this is a big order. Sarita. Sarita's a first-time customer. She got a two 22-inch peanut butter. So she got a matching set. She got a 30-inch mauve, and then she got a neutral and colorful mystery pack. So let's show you peanut butter. Peanut butter personally is one of my all-time favorite browns that we have. It is a faux leather, and it's really, really gorgeous. Like, look at that. What? Peanut butter is still available on the site, so if you're watching this, it is still available on the site. She also got mauve. Mauve is no longer available on the site. And then in her neutral and colorful mystery pack, we included a black. We gave her midnight. Midnight is available on our website. Come on, catch it, catch it. Midnight has this texture. There we go. So it's not trying to catch it. There we go. Midnight. We also gave her Tie-Dye Dream. Tie-Dye Dream comes in a lot of different variations. It just depends on what color, what part of the fabric you get. And then she's getting Jungle. Jungle was a fall color. Fall, and we put it in our standard mystery packs colors too because it's a neutral. But Sarita, thank you for placing your order as a first-time customer. You got a lot, girl. Okay, so I'm actually gonna have to wrap yours in 3s. Okay, next up we have Darcy. Darcy is a first-time customer, a 22-inch jet black and a 22-inch Genie. Genie is no longer available on the site. Genie was one of the colors that we came out with when we launched in April of 2022. And it was just time. It was time to give Genie a rest. And jet black. You cannot go wrong with a jet black spiral tie. Mystery spiral ties that are going out. Nicole is a first-time customer. She got a 15-inch fall mystery pack. We gave her Egyptian blue, cinnamon, jungle, and pinstripe. So a nice variety of colors. Nicole, thank you for placing your first time order. I gotta tell customers and even first time customers to get colors while you see it on the site if you know it's a color you would like, because a lot of times we do have to take colors off because we're no longer available or we're no longer able to get that fabric, and it's unfortunate. And I wish that we could keep colors on longer, but we drop colors so often too that sometimes it is hard to keep all of these colors on the site. So I'm glad that you all are able to get the colors that you probably really want. Okie dokie, this one feels heavy. This is for Nija. She got, I think these are 22 inches, 18 inches. Okay, so she got an 18-inch Peacock, 18-inch Melanated Mama, and Milk Mama. So she got the mousse set, and then she got an 18-inch Lemon Drop. So this is her Peacock. Peacock is on the website, and Peacock is one of those colors that your spiral tie is going to differ depending on which cut of the fabric you actually get. So you may get the blue, you may get the orange, you may get the yellow, you may get the pink, or you may get a combination of all the colors if you have like a 30-inch or a 42-inch spiral tie. So Milk Mama, Melanated Mama, and Lemon Drop, Milk Mama and Melanated Mama came up a lot in these orders this week, and Lemon Drop. Jashelle, she got 18-inch jet black, 18-inch onyx, and 18-inch midnight. So she got our melanin set. Melanin set comes with all 3 of the black spiral ties that we offer. So onyx used to be available on the site, but it is no longer available by itself. You can only get it in this set. Jet black, and then midnight. Jashelle, thank you for placing your first time order. I hope that you will come back and get some color, or you'll come back and get some brown, because it seems like you a neutral girl, but you probably like brown too, don't you? Let me know in the comments if you like brown. I have customers that have been shopping with us since April, and when I made the decision to get rid of the plastic bags, I'm like, do you all care? And one of my customers was like, girl, I don't even care how it arrives. I just want my spiral ties. Okay. This is hard, making these type of decisions as a business owner when you've been doing something a certain way, but you need to make adjustments, whether it be financially or you just are trying to really focus in on what your branding looks like. It's hard to make changes when you know you have customers that are expecting certain things when they order, especially returning customers. This is Lyric. Lyric got a 30-inch peanut butter. So we wrapped Lyrics in this really cute brown thread that has like a variation of threads. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Lyric, if you don't want this one, you know who to call. I'll take it. Next up, we have Vibeke. I hope that I'm saying your name right. I do not like to say people's names right. My middle name is Shakray, and when people see it, when they see it on social media, they think I'm saying she's crazy. People say it's Shakray. They say so many different variations. I do not like to butcher people's names at all. So if I did, please forgive me. We got a 30-inch I Love, 22-inch Nude Dots, 30-inch Milk Mama, 30-inch Melanated Mama, and a 22-inch Yams. I'm going to need to do 2 of these. Alright, let's get them out. So we got Nude Dots. Nude Dots is still available on the website if you are interested. We have Yams. Yams is on there currently, but Yams will be leaving the site the week of the 28th. That will be coming off of the site because it is a fall color. We have Olive. And then we got Melanated Mama and Milk Mama. You all have seen those quite a few times, but I'll show you still because you have not seen it on a 30-inch yet. So Milk Mama and Melanated Mama. Last up, we have Nalisa. She got a 22-inch bronze matching set. Bronze was our best seller. Bronze is no longer available. So I'm glad that you were able to get that as your first time order. A color that is no longer available. I think you might have been one of the last couple of people that actually was able to get bronze. Alright, you all, thank you for joining me for a Pack With Me show and tell. I hope that you all love your spiral ties. If you ever have any questions about spiral ties, my DMs are always open. I try to get to everybody as promptly as I can, but as you all know, I am in here hand making all of these items and it gets busy. If you have questions about like spiral ties, questions about the business, if you have color suggestions, please always let me know. Because I am always open to suggestions. I'm obviously in business for you all, so I am always open to suggestions. If you ever see us live on TikTok Live or Instagram Live, if you get a notification on your phone or if you're scrolling and you see that we're live, I highly encourage you to join us because we are always doing Spin the Wheel, where if you purchase while we're on live, you get a spin on the wheel for a free item or a discount code. We also go live to allow you all to be invoiced for colors that are not on our website. So that is a way to get colors that may have been on the website and a way to get exclusive colors for colors that never even made it to the website. But anyways, talk to me in the comments. I love to get to know my customers. I love to talk to you all. Obviously, I love to talk. But thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Pack With Me, more business related videos, lock content, mommy content, and just overall content because I love to create. I hope that you all have an amazing day. I hope that you all love your products just as much as I love making them. And I will catch you all on the next video. Bye.